Hello and welcome to this video on what is cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be exploring what cybersecurity is, why it's important, and how you can protect yourself from cyber threats. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting electronic devices and information from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. It involves a range of strategies and technologies that are designed to keep our digital lives safe. Why is cybersecurity important? In today's digital age, we rely heavily on technology to store and share sensitive information. This includes our personal information, financial data, and even national security secrets. If this information falls into the wrong hands, it can have serious consequences. Cybersecurity is therefore crucial to protect ourselves from cyber threats such as hacking, phishing, malware, and ransomware attacks. Types of cybersecurity threats. There are several types of cybersecurity threats that you should be aware of. These include malware. Malware is malicious software that is designed to harm your computer or steal your personal information. It can be spread through email attachments, infected websites, or software downloads. Phishing. Phishing is a technique used by hackers to trick you into giving them your personal information. This can include passwords, credit card numbers, and social security numbers. Phishing attacks often come in the form of emails or text messages that appear to be from a legitimate source. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks your computer or encrypts your files until you pay a ransom. This type of attack is becoming increasingly common, and it can have devastating consequences for individuals and businesses. How to protect yourself from cyber threats. Fortunately, there are several steps that you can take to protect yourself from cyber threats. These include 1. Use strong passwords. Use unique, strong passwords for each of your accounts, and never reuse passwords. 2. Keep your software up to date. Make sure that all of your software, including your operating system, is up to date with the latest security patches. 3. Be careful what you click. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. 4. Use antivirus software. Use antivirus software to scan your computer for viruses and malware. 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication for your accounts to add an extra layer of security. In conclusion, cybersecurity is an important practice that we should all be aware of. By understanding the types of cyber threats and taking steps to protect ourselves, we can keep our digital lives safe and secure. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for your support.